Philips. Full automatic espresso machine. Bring cafe-quality coffee home with the Philips fully automatic espresso maker. It offers up to 5 different coffee drinks with just the touch of a button. Get the best out of your coffee beans with the durable ceramic grinders and our aroma-extracting brew system. The TFT display with icons will make the preparation of coffee from freshly grounded beans extremely easy. The classic milk frother allows you to top your next drink with a silky smooth layer of milk froth. Your coffee, your way.
The Mahia by Zulay Kitchen, a fully automatic coffee and espresso machine. It has a large touchscreen with a built-in recipe menu with over 20 delicious drinks to choose from. Every drink is fully customizable to your preference, and you can create preset drinks so you can have your perfect customized coffee at the push of a button. It has an adjustable grinder going from ultra-fine to coarse grindings, and an exquisite brewing process, ensuring delicious coffee every time. It also makes ideal steamed milk for latte art. It has a built-in auto-clean function. It's like having your own personal barista in your home. Exquisite coffee at the push of a button.
Chibo coffee couldn't be any fresher, unless it's brewed in our revolutionary new machine. Meet the Chibo. Single serve, bean to brew. No pods, no waste. The Chibo.